In today's video, I will walk you through how to create 3D column chart in Google Spreadsheet. Start by highlighting the data you want to include in your chart. Once your data is selected, go to the top menu, click on Insert, then choose Chart. Google Sheets will automatically create a chart and open the Chart Editor panel on the right side. In the Chart Type section, click the drop-down menu and select Column Chart. Your chart will instantly switch to a column chart layout. Next, double-click on any column in the chart to customize its appearance. In the customization options, choose a color for that data series. Repeat the same process for the other columns if you want to use different colors throughout the chart. After customizing the colors, go back to the Chart Editor panel and find the Chart Style section. Look for the checkbox labeled 3D and click it to enable the effect. Once selected, your chart will immediately display with a 3D appearance, giving it more depth and a cleaner visual style. And that's it. Your 3D column chart in Google Sheets is now complete. Thank you for watching the video.